morning. Welcome to English speaking class. This is NJ. Guys, viewers by students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to view the change of voice. The voice means active voice and passive voice. These statements are mentioned and according to the rules they are changed from active voice to passive voice. Let's see these statements behind on the whiteboard. Today we are going to view the present perfect tense, the tense in present and in completion. It shows that the work has been completed in the same period. Let's see these phrases and see the rules. By applying, we change them from active to passive voice. Let's start up here. The first phrase is Friha has done her work. Friha has done her work. Friha has done her work. This is an active statement. Friha has done her work. Friha has done her work. Friha अपना काम कर चुकी है. This is the present statement. The work completes in present time, and here you see that Friha is a subject, has is a helping verb, and done is a principal verb, and her work is an object. By rules, when we change the active voice statements into passive, the object and subjects, the subject and object replace their places. They change their places. Let's see how they change their places. Here see the passive voice, her work. Her work. In passive statement, her work will stand as a subject here. So her work has been. Been is added for the passive. So her work has been, and third form of the verb as it is in the active voice, done. Her work has been done, and connected by, and the object Friha will stand here as an object. Friha, Friha, Friha. Her work has been done by Friha. Her work has been done by Friha. Her work has been done by Friha. Here you see the changes. Her work is a subject here. In this passive statement, has will stand as it is, helping verb, and been is added. Been is additional. Addition. Been is added to make it a passive. So by rules, we add been to make it a passive sense, and done will stand as it is. Done is written here as it is. After the principal verb done, we write by. By is a connector, and Friha is an object and noun here. So new statement, let's read it out. Here's the new statement. Let's read it out. Her work has been done by Friha. Her work has been done by Friha. Her work has been done by Friha. The active voice phrase was Friha has done her work. Friha has done her work. And its passive statement is, its passive voice is her work has been done by Friha. Her work has been done by Friha. Here you see, my students, her work stands here as a subject, and we have a helping verb has, and third form of verb, principal verb done, and then her work has been done. Been is added to make a passive. So her work has been done, and connected by, and as object Friha will stand here as an object. So let's read this passive voice statement. Her work has been done by Friha. Her work has been done by Friha. उसका काम फ्रीहा से किया जा चुका है. उसका काम फ्रीहा से, अपना काम फ्रीहा से किया जा चुका है. अपना काम फ्रीहा से किया जा चुका है. This is the new statement. Let's see the next sentence in active voice and read it out. Here see the next one is she has not made tea. She has not made tea. This is an active sense. She has not made tea. This is a perfect present perfect tense. It shows that the work has been completed in the same period, in the same time. So she has not made tea. The work is completed in the present time. She has not made tea. उसने चाय नहीं बनाई है. She has not made tea. She has not made tea. She has not made tea. उसने चाय नहीं बनाई है. It reflects that the work is completed in the present time. Here see, my students, she is a subject. Helping is here. Has is here helping verb. Helping verb is here. Has. Not is for negative sense, and not is added here for a negative sense, and made is verb form, third form of the verb, and he is an object. So this is the present perfect tense. He has not made tea, and this is a negative statement. It's a negative statement. This is a negative statement. He has not made tea. उसने चाय नहीं बनाई है. He has not made tea. He has not made tea. Let's see it changes into passive. आइए passive voice में इसकी changes देखते हैं. Here see the passive voice. Now T will stand here as a subject. T has is a helping verb. T has not been. Been is added in a passive to make it passive. The T has not been made by her. By her. We need the objective form of she, that is her. So we will write here her as an object, because she is going to be an object in the passive. So we need its objective form, that is her. So T has not been made by her. T has not been made by her. This is a passive statement. चाय उससे नहीं बनाई जा चुकी है. Tea has not been made by her. चाय उससे नहीं बनाई जा चुकी है. Hey you guys, आपने second active voice phrase देखा. She has not made tea. She has not made tea. This is a present perfect tense. इसे उर्दू में फेल हाल मुकम्मल कहा जाता है, क्योंकि इससे हमें ये तासुर मिलता है कि काम इसी ज़माने में ख़त्म हुआ है. She has not made tea. उसने चाय नहीं बनाई है. ये एक नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, एक मनफी जुमला है, एक मनफी फिक्रा है, और इसको हमने पैसिव वॉइस में तब्दील करना है. We have to change it into passive. और आइए देखते हैं कि कैसे ये पैसिव में चेंज किया जाता है. We have to apply the certain rules. हमें यकीनन जो इसके लिए रूल्स मुतय्यन किए गए हैं उन पे अमल करते हुए इसको पैसिव में बदलना है. Let's see how it's going to change in passive voice. आइए देखिए पैसिव में कैसे चेंज हुआ. You see that in passive the T stands here as a subject, whereas the T was an object in the active, and then we have to write has helping verb according to the rules. Then we will write not as it is, as the rules say. Then we will add been, because rules say that in this present perfect tense when we go to the passive we have to add been before the third form of verb. Before the third form of verb we have to add been for the passive sense. So T has not been made. Now connector by, we have to add by in all passive statements. So we will add by after the third form of verb. After writing by we will write down object, that is her. So here see, let's read this new statement in passive. Tea has not been made by her. Tea has not been made by her. चाय उससे नहीं बनाई गई है. चाय उससे नहीं बनाई जा चुकी है. Tea has not been made by her. चाय उससे नहीं बनाई जा चुकी है. So this is a new sense in passive. Now viewers, let's read out the new active sentence, new active statement. Here see the new active voice sentence is, नया active voice में जो जुमला है वो read out करते हैं. Let's read it out. Has Jim paid his debt? 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 This is a question. This is a question. This is a question. क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? We have to write here question here. Has Jim paid his debt? Has Jim paid his debt? क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? Has Jim paid his debt? क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? This is an interrogative. This is an interrogative sentence in a present perfect tense. In a present perfect tense, this is an interrogative statement. Has Jim paid his debt? Has Jim paid his debt? Has Jim paid his debt? क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? This is an interrogative statement. So when we write an interrogative statement, by rules we have to write the interrogative mark. We have to point the interrogative sign. So we put here the interrogative mark. Has Jim paid his debt? Has Jim paid his debt? क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? Has Jim paid his debt? This is a new statement in active voice. Viewers, my students, आपने एक्टिव वॉइस में नया जुमला देखा, नया फिक्रा देखा. Has Jim paid his debt? क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? ये एक सवालिया जुमला है, सवालिया फिक्रा है. This is an interrogative statement. Now let's see how it's gonna change in passive voice. आइए अब देखते हैं कि इसे पैसिव में कैसे चेंज करना है. Let's see up here. Here see the passive. You see, has will stand as it is in a passive, as it was in active voice. So we will write first has helping verb in the very first place, because this is an interrogative statement. So we will write has. After has we will write subject, that is his debt. So his debt will stand here as an subject. Has his debt. Has his debt. Now for the passive sense, according to rules, we will write been. Has his debt been? Now third form of principal verb, which is paid. Has his debt been paid? Now connector by. By. Has his debt been paid? By. Now we will write, we have to write object, which is Jim. Jim, which is Jim. Jim is a noun and it will stand as an object here in passive. In active, you see it was, Jim was a subject. Now it will stand here as an object in a new statement or passive voice. So let's read it out. Has his debt been paid by Jim? Has his debt been paid by Jim? क्या उसका कर्ज जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? क्या उसका कर्ज जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? Has his debt been paid by Jim? Has his debt been paid by Jim? And interrogative sign. क्या उसका कर्ज जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? You see, my students, the passive statements. This is also is an interrogative statement. ये भी एक सवालिया जुमला है जो पैसिव में हमने देखा, और इसे हमने रूल्स को अप्लाई करते हुए यहाँ पे इसकी चेंजेस को देखा. Has his debt been paid by Jim? Has his debt been paid by Jim? क्या उसका कर्ज जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? और this sense also shows that the work is completed in the present period, present time, present era and present age. So this is an interrogative statement in passive. So here you are, my students, a very interesting active voice phrases in present perfect tense, and we have seen the changes applying the rules. We have made the changes into passive. We have turned these statements into passive voice and we have read them out. Let's once repeat them again. आइए एक बार फिर से दोहरा देते हैं इन जुमलों को. Let's have a say once again. Priya has done her work. Priya has done her work. Priya has done her work. प्रिया अपना काम कर चुकी है. Priya has done her work. प्रिया अपना काम कर चुकी है. Let's see its change. Her work has been done by Priya. 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 Let's see the next statement. She has not my tea. 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 उसने चाय नहीं बनाई है. She has not my tea. उसने चाय नहीं बनाई है. Let's see its change. Tea has not been made by her. 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 चाय उससे नहीं बनाई जा चुकी है. Let's read out the next statement in active. This is an interrogative statement. Has Jim paid his debt? 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 क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? Has Jim paid his debt? क्या जिम अपना कर्ज अदा कर चुका है? Let's see its change. आइए इसकी तब्दीली को देखते हैं. Has his debt been paid by Jim? Has his debt paid by Jim? Has his debt paid by Jim? क्या उसका कर्जा जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? Has his debt been paid by Jim? Has his debt been paid by Jim? क्या उसका कर्ज जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? Has his debt been paid by Jim? क्या उसका कर्ज जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? Has his debt been paid by Jim? क्या उसका कर्ज जिम से अदा किया जा चुका है? Hey you guys, today we have discussed the present perfect tense, active statements and their change into passive, and we have made a lot of practice. Please memorize these phrases and changes and memorize the rules. Keep on watching my videos and please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to leave your comment. See you again. Goodbye.